everyone, I'm back again with a pick pile reading, and this pick a pile reading is for the topic what are you manifesting next. Okay, let's just see what is it that is coming your way and you have been trying to manifest it over time, and if at all that is coming your way. Okay, so let's get started. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2. Okay, so think of the question that what are you manifesting next, and whichever pile attracts you, take a few deep breaths, and then just select your pile. Go ahead. So let's get started. Hello pile 1. So the ones who chose pile 1 in this pick a pile reading, let's see what are you manifesting next. Okay, so first we have the Three of Wands, the World, and the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my god, very powerful, huh? Trying to manifest many powerful big things, I can see. Okay, and what is coming your way? Are they at all happening? Let's just check. Okay, so pile 1, firstly, it's like you've given enough efforts so far and now you want things to really move in your direction. Okay, it's like I want things to come to fruition. I want the rewards of the labor that I have been constantly giving, that recognition, that kind of reward of the efforts that I've been putting. It's like I've put 200%. Now I am going to watch and see what is coming, because I want the best. I do not want to bow down and settle for something that I'm not aiming for. So this is your energy. It's very powerful, and it's like you're watching from a distance what all is happening and trying to soak in, because you know that no matter what offer comes to me, I am not going to settle. So I'm telling you, for this pile, we majorly have the manifestation that is more related to 2-3 things. One is professional life, one is the name, fame and recognition, and third is overall networking, connection, and getting all global and big. Okay, so this is that, and also travel. Okay, and travel is not just small places, 2-3 days getaway. No, so these 2-3 things, rather 4 things I mentioned, they are very, very prominent, and that you will see exactly happening because you are manifesting that next. Okay, so travel, first very big thing is that any trip, any place that you've been wanting to go for a long time, that is coming. Okay, as a distant travel, maybe some of you might go to Europe, to the world tour, or attend a concert, some kind of concert, like we have Coldplay, or the Taylor Swift concert, just like how we have. So you might have some favorite DJ, or some person whom you really admire, or you want to go and watch that singer, or a gig, that can also be possible. So yeah, beautiful travel energy. Okay, then we have this thing of networking. So in case you're someone who is trying to crack a deal, okay, or trying to go for a project abroad, this is something that you're manifesting for sure. Okay, because we have the World card, everything. Now you'll not see things happening in a local or national level. Everything has gone global for you guys. Okay, and then we have the Wheel of Fortune as well. So luck is on your side. You were like, now I want things my way and everything has to be just the way I want, and that is what it's going to happen. So you're going to be really lucky in the upcoming few days. Okay, few days, rather I'll say 2-3 months. You're going to be really lucky, where you will be seeing that if you do this much, you're getting a lot of results. You didn't do certain things seriously and you just wrote few answers. Oh my god, you got selected. Okay, so this is how it is. You never had the plan, but it's just happening very easily. And for the ones where you have solid concrete plans, that is definitely going to happen. Okay, so it can also be that, you know, from your work front, at your work front, you can also go for a very important project. Okay, and also elevated, you know, you might get a very good promotion, become a team lead, you know, share your own story. And some of you, you know, if you're an influencer or you're planning to, you know, be a content creator, please go for it, because your page is going to boom. Okay, it's like going really big. Or, you know, if you are, you know, trying to present your talent, it's going to be amazing. So also you see your wealth multiplying. I think you really want a lot of luxury, lot of, you know, good, you know, you have an eye for certain things which specifically, you know, demand that kind of price and that kind of taste, you know, very niche. You are manifesting those things as well. Okay, so suppose it's a designer bag, okay, or maybe, you know, one night in a cruise, okay, in a very luxury cruise, you are manifesting that. So this has a lot of, you know, work front, professional, materialistic, travel, rewards coming your way, and the global name, fame and recognition. So yeah, that is what you are manifesting, all these things rather. Okay, not just one, you know, take however it resonates. And so yes, pile 1, this was your reading, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Hey pile 2, for the ones who chose the second pile, let's get into your reading. 6 of Cups, the Lovers, 10 of Pentacles. Oh, that's great. So pile 2, what are you manifesting? Beautiful things, so many things. So this pile, I feel, majorly has to do with emotional satisfaction, you know, emotions, relationship and union. Okay, so 6 of Cups, you want an environment where you are, wherever you are at this current stage, you know, whether it is your own family, you know, with your friends, and also in the work environment, you want a very nurturing environment. And at the same time, you are also looking forward to rekindle certain friendships which you felt, or, you know, certain relationships which you felt have died down over time. So you want to, you know, have that kind of good nurturing environment in your life. Okay, fill yourself with that self-love and self-care, and also at the same time reconnect with those old friends and have, you know, those old times back. Okay, so that is one thing which you're definitely manifesting, and it's coming your way. And because, you know, when we are at the peak of our self-love, we also, you know, attract the right kind of emotions from our desired people, because we say absolutely no for things which do not align with, you know, with us anymore. So that is one thing I can see, the Lover's energy. So definitely some of you are trying to, you know, manifest the ultimate love of your life, that beautiful relationship, and, you know, that kind of union that will be filled with passion, romance, emotion, and, you know, lot of understanding, reliability, and you are manifesting that, let me just tell you. And it, a beautiful relationship. Okay, and then 10 of Pentacles. So here there are two things, okay, because it's a general reading, so there are different kind of energies, and when I feel I should, certain messages are for one group, you know, one part, and certain are for in general, so I mention it accordingly. For this 10 of Pentacles, we have two, you know, ways, you know, two messages coming, two ways to look at. For the ones who want to manifest a good relationship and union, okay, ultimately you will see that happening, slowly in 10 months time, in a year's time, by the end of this year, you will see that, you are getting married to your desirable person, and you are in a stage to start your own family. Okay. And have a very complete family in future. So that is what you're manifesting. And for some of you who are already there in that position, or do not exactly want only that, it's also where you're getting a lot of abundance. So if you are looking forward at selling a property and getting huge gains from that, if you are looking forward to cracking a deal with someone, that is happening. Okay. And for some of you, it could also be getting ancestral property in your name, like it just comes as a gift. Okay. Or it comes to your inheritance, but that is there. Okay. So this pile has a mix of having the self-love, and the nurturing environment, reconnecting with the souls whom you have lost touch with. Okay. Then attracting and having that lovey-dovey partner, loving relationship, healthy loving relationship that will be filled with passion, and that ultimate union, and where you guys start a family together, go to the next step of marriage. And the third thing where you are another big manifestation for some of you is to have that abundance of wealth, where you are attracting a lot of wealth in your life, solid, huge amount of wealth, where your wealth is multiplying, you're investing so much so that you have a lot for yourself and you have a lot to invest, and you're wondering where all should I invest. Okay. So yes, so this is what you are manifesting next. Okay. So pile 2, that was your reading, and I hope it resonated, and I shall see you in my next reading. Till then, take care. Bye bye.